All right, so let's price the bond. We already know that the discount rate for the bond is 4.25%. So the face of the bond, we assume that's $1,000. The coupon of the bond, go back to the problem. You go look it up. There's a 20-year bond issued 18 years ago with an 8% coupon. What's our discount rate? 425, right?
125, yeah.
Calculate that in question A. Then you got to do the effective. Effective yield, just remember, this is true. It doesn't, corporates, treasuries, they all pay twice a year, so we got to put that on a two times a year basis. So you take the 425, 1 plus the 425 divided by 2, raise it a second, minus 1. If they paid interest, if they paid, if they amortized monthly, you would divide by 12 and raise it to 12. But here it's twice a year. Make sure you get something slightly higher than 425. If you're getting 7% or 12%, you did something wrong. And make sure it's higher. Effective yield cannot be lower. So when you do all of that, you have time, you have your cash flow, you have your discount factor, discounted cash flow. Looks a lot like what we did with the cost benefit analysis. Except for with the cost benefit analysis, remember on the cost benefit analysis when we did the discounted payback, we didn't have a column for the discount factor, we just did it all in one formula. We just did the cash flow and divided by 1 plus rate raised at the time. Here, for the bond, for some reason, I do it as a separate factor. All right, so time is what? So it's a 2-year bond, so you're gonna get something in 6 months, something in a year, something in 18 months, and something in 2 years. All right, so again, don't get that confused with the cost benefit analysis. We're using 0.5, 1.5, and 2.5. Here you have to every 0.5 you need. What's our cash flow? Our cash flow is the face times the coupon, but we get the coupon twice a year, so we divide by 2, so we'll get $40. $40 every time. And then what happens in the very last one?
Yeah, get 1,000.
1,000 back. Yeah, someone on the homework forgot to add the 1,000 on the last one. I was looking at their answers and I was like, how do you get such low numbers? Our discount factor is just 1 divided by 2 parentheses, 1 plus our effective yield. Lock it in, raise it a time. Right? Make sure you got your parentheses in the right place. Some of you on the homework are having some parentheses problems, so make sure you get the parentheses in the right place. If I hit enter, what number are you expecting? Would you expect 0.7, 0.98, 1.5? 0.98, right? You want something around 99, 98 for that first year, and after that, it should get slightly smaller each time. And your discounted cash flow, you just multiply across. And your price is just the sum of those discounted cash flows. We know here the coupon is greater than the KD. If the coupon is greater than the KD, then your price is going to be above $1,000. So that's one way you can somewhat check your answer. Sure enough, there it is, 1,000s. And I'm going to double check it just to make sure. 1071.18, 1071.18, or if you want to, $40 divided by 0.0425 divided by 2 plus $1,000 minus $40 divided by 0.0425 divided by 2 divided by plus 425 divided by 2 4. If you want to do it by hand, I doubt y'all are going to do that, but I would know this formula. It's a good formula, especially for a finance major, but if you know the formula, then it gives you a way to double check your answer. You gotta remember this formula, or like, probably unlikely, all right? But anyway, that's another way you can do it by hand. When you plug it into, now if you want to plug it into your calculator, that's fine. If you plug it into your calculator, you get 1071 and 18, and you put it on your exam, you get 0 credit, even if it's the right answer out to the penny. So you have to show all of this. All right, that's absolutely required. I don't care if you know how to use your calculator. It's very important to me. What's important to me is you understand the math. But if you know how to use your calculator and you want to double check your work, you can certainly do that. Your calculator will actually double check it, so that's fine. And actually on the whatever exam is that you have to take, finance majors, you do have to know your calculators a little bit on that exam, so there is some value to that. All right, any questions on this? So there's your answer, 1071.18. It's good.